Hi everyone, I'll show you how you can create reports using Devexpress. I divide the video into chapters. First step, how you can get and use report designer interface. Then the second, how we can set up a database connection. I'll design the report layout. Then dynamic images from the database. After that, conditional coloring. And then bookmarks to navigate between the pages. Then the last chapter I'll show you a chart example. Let's start. I create a new Visual Studio project. Form application, Windows Form. This one, next. Save this to anywhere. I already have the Devexpress installation on my PC. Two kinds of report designer we see here. First, standard report designer, ribbon report designer. The difference is the view, how it seems like. Let's try first one. And here it is, as you see, 0 line code. I didn't write any code. Resize. And start. Our report designer interface is ready. We can start to use it. New. That's it. Also, I want to show you to other control. I will remove this. Empty. Now, again, search by report. Ribbon report designer. This seems much better actually. And here it is. Run the project. This is the interface, that how it seems like. I have already prepared reports. I'll open one of them. Open. For instance, purchasing report. As you see, it's working. Here, preview. And that's it. Here, this part you see designer is the interface to prepare our report, and preview to execute our report, and the last tab, scripts. By the way, we can change this interface like colors, the theme, skin. Devexpress call it skin. Let me show you how to do that. Solution Explorer, right click on the project, Devexpress project settings. Here you see the skin name is currently it's basic. Then you can choose any one you want. Many kinds of views, even Valentine. I choose this one to show you only. Here you see everywhere pink, or a kind of pink. I'll choose summer. Start. Click new report. Our end user report is now ready. Now we have portable application.